Welcome back to Roland Tutoring. If this is your first time joining us, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. If you would like to inquire about tutoring or have your problem solved on our channel, please reach out via one of the methods listed in the video description. Today we are talking about significant figures. This is necessary to know if you're in any science class or engineering. So right now we will give you 6 different examples of finding significant figures. So if we start out with A, we have the number 592, and in this case all 3 are significant because none of these are 0. So we would say there are 3 significant figures there. For B, we have 7.09, and in this one again, because the 0 is between 2 non-zero digits, we have 1, 2, 3 significant figures. C, we have our 6.953, and here we would have to say that there are 4 because none of these are 0. It doesn't lead with a 0, it doesn't end with a 0, so there are 4 significant figures. Continuing with D of 1.652 times 10 to the 41st. So these ones can get more confusing because you know there will be 41 zeros, not 41 zeros. We'll move this over 41 times, so there'll be a whole bunch of zeros behind here. Which those are not significant figures, so we can just go ahead and count the ones that are non-zero, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives us 4 significant figures for D as well. If we move on to letter E, where we have 10,000 pounds, how many significant figures do we have here? We could have 5, right? Because we have 5 numbers out front. Or it could be 1 of 1 times 10 to the 4th. And that is why you should use scientific notation, because otherwise we don't really know how many there are. So we could rewrite this as 1 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, which would give us 1 significant digit. Alright, we'll finish up with letter F here of 0.052. So again, we have a 0 here, so that is not significant. We have a 0 here, which would tell me there are 2 significant figures here. Again, we can rewrite this in scientific notation to make it better understood. We would have 5.2 times 10 to the 1, 2, negative 2, and we can see there are 2 significant figures there. Hopefully this helps you if you are dealing with significant figure problems. If you have further questions or would like help with to inquire about tutoring, please contact us in one of the methods listed in the video description. Also take a moment to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day.